Hello. Second. Hello, students. Welcome back. So today I've come across with a good topic, that is a tricks on multiplication. So today we're going to be learning how to do multiplication in a faster way with examples. Okay, students. So let me consider one problem. 187 by 5. The question is multiply 187 by 5. How do we usually do? We do it as 187 in the conventional way into 5 will just multiply. But the easiest approach, you'll get 7 5s are 35, 3, then 8 was a 40 plus 3, 43, 7 of 5 plus 4 is 9, 935. But the easiest approach would be 187 into 5 can also be written as 187 into 10 by 2. This 5 can be written as 10 upon 2. So what do we get, students? So that will be 187 into 1870 upon 2. If I divide that, that would be 9. Then 2 9s is 18. Then this is 2 3s are 6. And 1 carry, 2 5s are 10. So it is easy, students. Of course, this is just easy because you're just dividing by simple number 2. This is, you have to remember the what is that? You'll just 7 5 to 35. Then the tens place you have to remember, carry over all that. But this is very simple. So this is the easiest approach. We'll consider one more problem. Multiply 369 by 125. How do we do? We'll do it as 369 into 125. What is that? We usually approach with the carryover system. So that would be like 7 9 5 is 45, then 4, then 9 6 5 is 30. So it's very lengthy. So that would be like yeah, I'll do it on the next page. So that will be 369 into 125 would be 5 9s are 45, 4, 6 5s are 30, plus 4 is 34, 3. Then we have 5 3s are 15, plus 3 is 18. Then we'll just cancel these two. Then we'll take the next one, which will be 2 9s is 18. We'll leave one space. And 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, plus 1 is 13. 1 carry. Then this will be 2 3s are 6, plus 1 carry is 7. Then again, what we do? We'll multiply with 1. So that would be the same number, 369, with 2 spaces, 369. Then we'll add them up. This is 5 and this is 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 and 10. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 8, 80, 9 will be 21, 1 and 2 carry. 6 plus 2 is 8, plus 8 is 16, 1. So it will be 4 6 1 2 5. But the easiest approach will be 369 into 125 can be written as, I can write that as 369 into 1000 by 8. Remember how it is 1000 by 8? So how we approach is, usually it is 10 by 2. Then we go for 20 by 100 by 4. Then we'll say we'll go by 100 by 4. So that would be your 25. Then we'll go with, increase one more 0, then 2 cube would be 8. So that would be, this is 4 and this is your 500 and this is your 2 and this is 250 and you have 2 and 125. So there how it goes. So this will be 369 into, So this is 1000 by 8, isn't it, students? 1000 by 8. We can write it as 1000 upon 8 will be equal to, this is actually your 369000 upon 8. 369000 upon 8. This one is actually, we'll write it as, when we do the division, this will be how much, students? So 8 4s are 32, then 8 4s are 32, plus, so 4 balance, so 8 6 are 48, then 1, 8 ones are 8, then 2, then 8 2 the 16, then 4 8 5 is 40. So 4 6 1 2 5, which is simple, students. Of course this one, right? But only thing you should know this trick. Then we'll move on. Next we have okay, so multiply. Third problem we have multiply 238 by 9. So that will be, I can write this as 238 into 9 can be written as, what we do, I'll do the both the conventional approach and the faster approach so that you can know which is better, because this is carryover and this is faster trick what I'm telling. So if we make comparison, then we'll know what is the actual thing, isn't it? 8 9 is 72, then 2, then you say 7. That's how I'm different from the rest. So 9 3 is 27 plus 7 will be 34. That is 18 9 21. So 2142. But what is the easiest approach? Here the concept is we are using the base 10, 100 and 1000, so on. So this is 10 minus 1. I can use the distributive property here. So this is 238 into 10 minus 238 into 1. So this is simple like this. So this is 2380 minus 238. So subtracting will be very simple. This is 2380 minus 238 will be, this is 10 minus 8 is 2, and this is here 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4, and this here, this 3 minus 2 is 1 and 2. So you'll have 2142, which is simple. Then we have multiply the same 238 by 81. So this we can write as 238 into 9 into 9. 81 can be written as 9 into 9. 100 minus 19 also is fine, but why we are breaking it as 9 into 9? Because 9 square is 81. So this can be written as 238 into, and this is 10 minus 1, and this also can be written as 10 minus 1. So that will be 238 into, this one can be written as 238 into 10 minus 238 into 1, and this is as it is 10 minus 1. This will be 2380 minus 238, and this will be into, of course we'll not write it as 9, so 10 minus 1. So this will be, we can write this as 23800 minus 2380 minus 2380 plus 238 also. That's how also we can write, but this is a little lengthy. So, or this can also be written as, we can also write this as 2380 minus 238. So that will be 2, 10 minus 8 is 2, and this is your 7 minus 3 is 4, and this is 1 and 2, 2142, 2142 into 10 minus 1, which will be 21420 minus 2142, the distributive property. So yeah, this will be the distributive property. So yeah, this is a separate one. Okay, next, this approach can also be done with as, I can also do this approach with this as. So this is this one. If I continue, the answer will be 21420 minus 2142. So that will be 8. 10 minus 2 is 8, and this is will have 11 minus 4 is 7, and this is 3, and this is 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is 21 minus 2 is of course here 19278. This is 19278. This one also 23800 and 238. I can add them up. I'll get 23800, and 238 will be 8 and 3 and 10 and 1 and 4, 24038. And this is, if I add both the like terms, 2380, and this will be okay. So 2380 into 2380 is 2380 into 2, which is 0, it is 16, 1, 36, 7 and 4. So that will be 4760, or if not clear, 2380, I'll add twice. So this will be 16, and this is 7, 4760. Then the final answer will be 24038 minus of 4760. So that will be 0, 2 and 3, and this will be 17. Sorry, this will be 23 minus 4 is 19. 193720. This is 19320. I'm getting by this approach. This will actually, so this is actually 23800. Okay, so 23800 minus 2380, and this is minus 2380 plus 238. So 23800 plus 238 will be here 8, 3 and 24038, and this is 4760. So we'll have 4760 means I'll have to just subtract them. So this will be 2, and this is see, I'll do this again, maybe because I've not written the straight thing. So just let me write that again for you. So this will be, see, that's the reason you have to write the numbers one below the other very clearly, or else you'll end up in making mistakes. So this will be 24038 minus of 4760. This will be 8. 8 minus 0 is 8, and this is 13 minus 7 is, you'll have 7, and this is your 9 minus 7 is 2, and this is 23 minus 4 is 19 to 78. I feel the approach is, this one is far better instead of making mistakes. So suppose if I have to multiply 238 by 81, so it will be actually carryover system. But when I have this tricks of expressing the numbers like this, 9 into 9, then it will be very simple. Suppose if the same thing, if I just multiply 238 by 81, so what will I get? 238 by 81. So look at the same answer. I'll get 238, and this will be, leave a space. 8 is 64, 6. 8 is 24 plus 6 is 30. 3, 8 to 16, 19. So you'll have 8, 7, 2, 1, 9, 2, 7, 8. Is it not the same, students? It is the same. So next we have one more. We'll move on. So next we have this one is 287 by 19. Next problem, it is here 2 multiply 287 by 19. How do you do this, students? 287 by 19. So you can either write it as 287 into 20 minus 1. or you can also express as 10 plus 9. The base usually will not take 20, will take it as 10, or you can also do 100 minus 11. So but the easy thing is we will go with plus, so that it will be 287 into 10 plus 287 into 9. So this one also, how can I express this as 287 into 10 is 10, plus I can also express as this is 10 minus 1. So this will be 2870 plus this is 287 into 10 is 2870 minus 287. When I add them up, 287 plus 2870 plus 2870, I will be getting 171. So 5740. So 5740 minus 287 will end up in this is 3 and this is your 13 and this is 5 and this is your 6 and 4. So 5453 5453 is the answer what we get, 287 5453. Or else if I have to approach, yeah, you can also do it by 20 minus 1 also, or 287 into 20 minus 1. Give it a try, students, you'll get the same approach. So it will be 287 into 20 minus 287 into 1. So this can be written as, of course, 287 into 2 into 10 minus 287. So that will be, yeah, so that will be 2. This one can be written as 287 into 2 into 2 into 10 minus 287 is 287 into 2 will be 287 into 2 and to the 14 1 8 to 16 17 1 5. So 574 into 10 minus 287 will be 5740 minus 287. That will be 5740 minus 287 as this is 3 and this is 5 and this one is 4 5453. So hence the answer is 5453. This is clear, friends. So the approach is the same. Next we have 743 by 99. Multiply 743 by 99. 743 by 99. How do we do that? So this will be 743 into this. I can write as 100 minus 1. 743 into 100 minus 1. So this will be actually 743 into 0. We are using the distributive property into 100 is 743 double 0 minus you have 743 into 1 is 743. So that will be 74300 minus 743, and this is 10 minus 3 is 7, and this is 9 minus 4 is 5, and this is 12 5, and this is 3 7 3 5 5 7. Next problem we have multiply 23857 into 1 2 3 4 9999. So that will be 23857 into 10,000 minus 1. So this will be 23857. How many zeros? Just add these many number of zeros. 4 zeros minus 23857 into 1 is 23857. So suppose, imagine if I multiply this empty number, so how big an answer I'll get? 743 into 99. Whereas this one, when I go with simplification, it is so simple. The same approach here, 2385, and as I done in the previous one, you can check it out by yourself. So into 9999, that is also so lengthy. I'll have carry over all that. But look at this. It's very simple approach, right? So, but you have to be very careful in the doing the subtraction here. 2, 3 is either it's actually a multiplication problem, but we are using the concept of base system, and either addition or subtraction. That's the beauty of math, students. 2, 3, 8, 5, 7, 00, 00 minus this is 8, 5, 7, 3. So this will be 3, and this is 4, and this is 1, and this is 6, and this is 4, and this will be 5, 8, 2, 3. So the answer is 2, 3, 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 4, 3. Okay, okay, students. Next approach. Next we have the approach of multiply. (38 by 32). So how do you do that? So here, listen carefully, students. This is 38 by 32. So what are the unit digits of each? This is 8 and this is 2. So what is the trick is, if these the tens place are same, the trick goes something like this. Here it is 3, here also the tens place is 3. So you'll just do 3 into the next 3 plus 1. Next number is, or you can say 3 into 4, which is 3 into 4 is what? 12. 12. Directly you write 12. And what is 8 2s are 6 is 16. So you'll basically write it's not into it. The answer is 1 2 1 6 1 2 1 6. Is that clear, students? Okay, so they will say the answer will be, not put bracket, so this will be 1 2 1 6. Suppose if I have to multiply, it is so lengthy, isn't it, students? Next we have multiply, one more of the same approach, 83 by 87. So this will be, how do I do that, students? So this is 8 and this is also 8. So you'll say 8 into 8 plus 1, or directly you'll say 8 into 9, the next digit, because only is applicable when the tens place are same when you're multiplying with the 2-digit numbers with the 2-digit number. So this is 8 9 by 72, and then it's simple, 3 7 is 21. So you'll say first write 72 and then it is 1. That's all. Then next we have multiply 71 by 79. So the same approach. So 7 into 7 plus 1 is 7 into 8, which is 56, and 1 9 is 9. And remember, students, it should be a 2-digit number. So you will write 56, 1 9 is 9. You will not write 1 into 9 is 9, 5 6 9. The answer should be 5 6 0 9. Okay. Next, let us multiply 125 by 125, or 125 square. So you'll say the same, 12. You'll take these two numbers as 12 and 12. Once place only, you have to leave it as it is. Whether here it is repeating, previous it was not repeating. So you'll say we should be bothered about the tens place. So here 12 into 12 plus 1, the same logic. So 12 into 13. Now here, students, 12 into 13, you can go ahead with the which beautiful trick. 12 into 13, 12 12 is 144 plus 12 is 156. So the answer will be 156, and this is 5 5 is 25. So the answer is, remember, 25 units place should be written afterwards. So 156 2 5. And next we have multiply 431 by 439. Remember, if you are multiplying the convention approach, so difficult it is. So this is simple, right? So here in tens place and tens and hundreds are same. So we'll say 43 into 43 plus 1. So this is 43 into 44. 43 into You'll say 44. This one, there's no other point. So this one will be, you have to multiply for this. So you can either use the distributive property if you have to avoid the multiplication here. So I'll do 43 into 43 plus 1 will be, I'll go with 43 square, 43 into 43 plus 43 into 1. So what I'll do is, usually again I have 43 square will be 43 into 43. I can write this as the same approach. 4 4 is 4 into 4 plus 1, isn't it? So I'll not multiply again. 4 into 4 plus 1. So that will be, what is the students? 4 into 4 plus 1. So here it will be 4 into 4 plus 1 is 4 into 5, which is your 20, and this is 3 3 is 9, but you'll write as 2 3, this, yeah, 4 5 is 20, so you'll write it as 2 0 and 0 9, 2009. So that is your 2009 is your, for what is it friends? 2009 is for your 43 square. So that will be 2009 plus 43. So 204. So 43 plus 9 is 53. So 52052 is 43 into 44. So it will be 2052. But the original problem is 1 into 9. So you'll say it is 09. So 43 into 44 is actually, wait, let me not confuse student. So 43 into 44 is, we have, this is 2052, but the answer for this problem is 2052, and 1 into 9 is 09 here. So this is 1 into 9 is 09. 2052, 09 is the 20 into 3 into 4. So that will be 44. So 43 into 44. Once I show it. So yeah. So we have 43 into 44 is, sorry, this has to be 43 into 43 will be, this is 4 5 is 20, and this is 09. So this will be 9. So okay, so this will be okay. Okay, okay students. So this will be, so this has to be 43 into 43 plus 1. So little there goes 43 into 43. This is 43 into 43 plus 1. So it is 43 into 44. So 43 into 43 plus 1. So 43 into 43 is 40 plus 3 whole square. Also I can use. So is that clear, friends? So this will be, so for this one, let me just check this is working or not. With this approach it should work. So this will be 50 and 50, and this is 09. Yeah, so this is actually the approach of 40 plus 3 whole square. So this will be actually 1600 plus 9 plus 43 is 120 into 2 is 240. So this will be 1849, isn't it? So this has to be 1849. So this is 1849. So yeah, there is some mistake with this, isn't it, students? So 43 into 40. Okay. Anyway, students, so this was a random approach. So 43 into 49. Okay. I'll come next class.